Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices, charge the keyboard, and put it into pairing mode so it becomes discoverable. On your iPad, open Settings and turn Bluetooth on. This allows the iPad to scan for new devices. Make sure you keep the keyboard within 3 to 6 feet of the iPad and temporarily turn off other Bluetooth gadgets that might interfere. Once done, watch the Bluetooth list for the keyboard name. This first step creates the connection path the iPad needs to proceed with pairing. Now, on the iPad's Bluetooth list, tap the keyboard's name to begin pairing. You'll usually see a PIN or a pairing prompt. You must type that PIN on the external keyboard exactly as shown and press Enter. This authenticates the device. After a moment, the iPad should display connected next to the keyboard name. Make sure to open Notes or another text field and type to verify input. If the keyboard does not respond, repeat pairing or toggle Bluetooth off and on to refresh the connection. Finish by adjusting keyboard preferences on the iPad. Go to Settings right arrow General right arrow Keyboard to set key repeat, shortcuts, and hardware keyboard layout so everything feels right. Test the keyboard in multiple apps to confirm consistent behavior. Most keyboards reconnect automatically after the iPad restarts. If something goes wrong, forget the keyboard in Bluetooth settings and repair, or power cycle and reset the keyboard's Bluetooth per the manufacturer instructions. This resolves most pairing conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.